Hello, my name is Matt. In this introductory video series, I'm going to talk to you about what Jobcan is and give a brief outline of the main features that are included with the Jobcan Attendance Management Application. We will talk about the four main features of Jobcan: the Mypage, the attendance book, shift creation, and vacation request and approval. Lastly, there will be a short tutorial video series on the basic functions of how to set up your company with Jobcan. So what is the Jobcan Attendance Management Application? Jobcan is a monthly subscription-based program that operates directly from your web browser. With a simple user interface, you will have instant control and access to all the information about your employees' working activities, such as working hours, clocking times, breaks, overtime, and punctuality. This information will be stored and can be viewed in a desired report and will all be made instantly available. Whether your company has a fixed working schedule or relies on shift-based work, Jobcan offers a service that will help you to manage these working arrangements. You will be able to create shift patterns that suit the needs of your business, while being able to see your staff availability, budget, and total hours worked for that day, week, or month. Once you have completed your shift scheduling, you will be able to send this information instantly to your employees via their Mypage or directly to an agreed email address. We will cover what Mypage is in the next video. They can access this information on their smartphone or computer wherever they are, completely removing the need for paper timesheets. Jobcan also offers a very user-friendly holiday request and approval function, allowing your employees to request holiday from their Mypage using their smartphone or PC, and allowing your administrator to see this request instantly from the admin homepage. They will be able to act upon these requests immediately, completely removing the need for paper forms and costly processing times. The combination of all these features dramatically reduce the amount of document filing and administration work, freeing up your staff to work on more important projects and making the whole attendance management process of your company much more cost-effective. Jobcan Attendance Management has been designed in a way to considerably speed up all of your back office tasks and make all your employee management information much easier to access. I hope this introduction video has given you a better understanding of what Jobcan is. In the next video, we're going to go over more detail about the staff Mypage function.